In today's video, I am going to teach you how to animate in Wix. To get started, open your site editor and make sure you are on the workspace canvas where your page elements are visible. From here, go directly to the item you want to animate. This can be an image, a text box, or a button container. Click on that element so Wix knows exactly which part of the page you want to work with. It is important to select the correct object first, because the animation settings apply only to the element you have highlighted. Once the element is selected, look for the animation icon in the editor tools and click it. This opens the animation options for that specific item. Wix makes this part very visual, so you can quickly preview different motion styles and see how each one affects the way your content appears on the page. This is helpful when you are trying to match the animation to the style and tone of your website. After that, choose an entry animation style from the preset options in the sidebar menu. You will see choices such as bounce, glide, fade in, and spin. Each preset creates a different effect when the element appears. For example, fade in gives a softer and cleaner look, while bounce or spin can feel more energetic and attention-grabbing. Pick the one that best fits the content you are presenting and the overall feel of your design. When you have selected an animation style, click the Customize option located just below your chosen preset. This is where you can fine-tune how the animation behaves. You can adjust the speed so the motion feels faster or slower. You can also change the duration, which controls how long the effect lasts. If you want the animation to begin a little later, you can set a start delay. You may also be able to choose the direction path depending on the animation style, which helps control where the movement begins or how it enters the screen. As you make these adjustments, keep clarity and balance in mind. A subtle animation often feels more polished and professional, while stronger effects can be useful when you want to draw attention to something important. The goal is to enhance the page, not overwhelm it. Once everything looks the way you want, your animation setup is complete. That covers everything you need to know.